Hey guys, Tom Pinello with Appspace here at Cisco's collaboration event at the Malvern, Pennsylvania office, where we've got 3 different Appspace and Webex integration solutions on display. So I'm going to take you through those real quick. So we've got the Webex Board here that's actually, when idle, running our progressive web app. So you can actually push your own content to the Webex Board when it's not in use. And what's really cool about this is you can have an interactive experience where you push multiple pieces of content and create a user on-demand experience. So if we move over here, away from the Webex Board over to the Room Kit, we've got our background management solution on display. So this Room Kit is actually getting images pushed to it from Appspace on a schedule, so that way I can show meeting room instructions, corporate communications content, and we can all manage that out of Appspace at scale across thousands of endpoints. Then if we move over here, this comes full circle where we integrate with the Webex Teams app. So we can actually push content across the Webex Board, the Room Kit, and also into the collaboration app. So if you look here, we've got a playlist of cards and text that go right into the Team Malvern space. And if I want to get more information, I can just click here, see the JPEG image that we uploaded, and also see more text and learn more about that card. So a lot of really cool things that we're doing with Webex. If you have any questions, you can talk to, of course, your Appspace team rep, or you can talk to a Cisco rep as well.